What's up guys, Nell here. So for today's video, I will teach you the simple step-by-step on how to stake on Cross Mainnet 2.0. Before you begin, ensure you have Cross token ready and an EVM compatible wallet installed, such as CrossX or MetaMask or Binance wallet. So step 1. If you are using MetaMask, you need to add the Cross Mainnet 2.0 network manually. You can also automatically add the network by connecting your wallet directly to the official tracking explorer or staking dashboard. Most players hold their cross on the Binance Smart Chain. So, in order to stake, your tokens must be on the native cross chain. Just go to the official cross bridge or dashboard, connect your wallet, and select BSC to Cross Mainnet. Input the amount of the cross you want to transfer. Confirm the transaction and wait for a few minutes for the bridge to process. After you bridge your token, just head over to the official website of staking. Just connect your wallet. Make sure your network is on the Cross Mainnet. You will see a list of available active validators securing the network. Look for a validator with close to 100% uptime. If a validator goes offline, you temporarily stop earning rewards. After you log in the official staking website, you can now start staking. Just click the stake now, enter the amount of cross you wish to allocate, and click stake, and sign the transaction in your wallet. But guys, there's a crucial golden rule. There's a 14-day unbounding period when unstaking. If you decide to pull your tokens out, it takes exactly 14 days for them to return to your liquid wallet. You will not earn rewards during those 14 days. Because Mainnet 2.0 rewards are distributed on a per block basis, your earnings accumulate in real time. Don't let your tokens just sit there idle, get them to work. And that's it. That's simple, right? You can now earn while you sleep. If this guide helped you out, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, and turn on the notification so you can never miss our next Web3 passive income strategy. Again, I'm Nell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.